In this video guys, I'm gonna share with you step by step how we made $10,211 in commission with affiliate marketing just by posting affiliate links on TikTok. Just by using free traffic from TikTok, I made this commission, and I made this commission just in 13 days. From the first day of this month of July until the day 13 of this month, okay? I made $10,211 using free traffic from TikTok. In this video, I will share all my methods, all my strategies, which services I'm promoting or products on TikTok, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end, and let's get started. So this is my affiliate account dashboard. It's not screenshots guys like other people sharing with you. This is my affiliate account dashboard. So who share an affiliate account dashboard like this one? I can click here. I have my dashboard, my marketing tools, reports, payments, postback, sub-affiliates, commission plan, affiliate store, even my ID is here. I don't have to show that, but that's fine to show you. It's not screenshot like other people. Anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using TikTok, step number 1, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates, okay? You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commission. It's not like other affiliate marketing businesses. They will just pay you a few cents, but this one is profitable. So just click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. If you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates program, okay? This will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. You should see your commission here, your commissions, clicks, CTR, and so on, okay? So all you have to do now is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you should start promoting on TikTok to earn commission. So how we can choose good services? So what you will do, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, and now I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate links that I'm promoting on TikTok to earn commission. So here is what you will do. You will click on the search for TikTok dance, okay? Search for this service. So since we are promoting our affiliate links on TikTok, we're gonna search for services related to TikTok, okay? So search for TikTok dance, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So for example, I'm gonna choose, let me see, I think this one looks good. Like this one, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is level 1 seller. He has 5 star, a lot of reviews. So I will just click on this service of this seller, okay, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and you can see the seller, how many orders he sold. As you can see here, this is the number of his reviews of his the customer who already paid for the service. This is the reviews of those customers, okay? So all you have to do is you need to copy the link of this seller, copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, and you have dashboard, marketing tools, reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put the seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on TikTok. Before we do that, we need to create a video that we will use to promote this service on TikTok. So what you will do next, go back to the seller profile page. This seller has a video that's really good. Let's check. And as you can see, this seller has a video that's really good. So what you will do next, you will double click on this video and you will click on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. Click on save and save this video to your laptop. And I'm gonna name it, for example, let me see. Let's name it just TikTok dance. Click on save. So what you will do next, go back to Google and search for Canva like this. Click on the first link. So just search for Canva, click on the first link. The sign-up process is super easy. You just need to use your email address and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page on Canva. Click over here on video. Okay, not video, let me show you. You click over here on create design. Okay, sorry, you need to click on create design and you need to search for TikTok video. Okay, so let's scroll down. Okay, we will click over here on the search. We will search for TikTok video here. Click on TikTok video. Okay, you will be directly in this page, so you should get this size of TikTok video. Okay, so click over here on upload. Click on upload file and upload this video that you download from Fiverr about TikTok dance. Okay, this one. Click on open and your video will be uploaded to your Canva account like this. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Okay, like this, and make your video like this. Let me show you. And I'm gonna make it like this. Click over here. Okay, after you finish, click here and click on background color and choose black color like this. Okay, so what you will do next, you will click on text. Click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. I'm gonna use this one. Click on the text style and your text will be over here like this. So just and what you will do next, click on this text. I'm gonna click on this one and I will put this text here. I will delete the second one and I'm gonna decrease the font size of this text like this. Double click on this text and write this sentence. Okay, check link in my bio to get TikTok dance video. Okay, because we will put our affiliate link in our TikTok bio. Okay, and they will make this text like this. I will click on duplicate and I will put this one also here. Okay, you see this. So people who will watch this video, check link, they will see this, check link in my bio to get TikTok dance video. Okay, those people who want to get TikTok dance video, they will check your bio on TikTok. You will put your affiliate link there and that's it. Let's check now the video. So that's a really good video. Click on share, click on download, and this TikTok video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go and open your TikTok account. It's for free, guys. And you should know that TikTok has, let me see how many monthly visitors. That's 2 billion monthly visitors, guys. You guys don't know the potential of TikTok. You can get so much traffic from TikTok for free if you do it correctly. Okay, 2 billion monthly visitors. That's a really big number. Okay, so click over here, open your TikTok account, click on upload your video, and after you upload your video, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, go to TikTok, put your affiliate link in your bio, start promoting those services, and you can make a lot of money using TikTok. You can get free traffic from TikTok. And you guys know that TikTok, it doesn't matter if you have 0 followers, 1 followers, 2 followers, your videos can get millions of views, okay? And if just one video go viral, this video can change your life. You can make a lot of commissions, okay? And that's it. Start promoting services related to TikTok and you can make a lot of money. This is the method that I'm using to promote my affiliate links on TikTok. I shared this with you for free, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if you want to get more videos like this, comment affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you guys a lot of new methods for free. And see you in my next videos.